What if I tell you that IELTS writing essay, the very first paragraph, introduction, you can write within 1 minute? What if I tell you there is a proven template using which you can write any introduction in less than 50 to 55 seconds? To know more about it, make sure you watch the video till the end. Hey everybody, Nakul here from Skills IELTS. Really hope everybody is doing fantastic. I'm back with it, another video. Today's video is all about that one template you just need to copy for all the essay questions in your IELTS writing, especially for the introduction, that is the first paragraph. Before we get into the video, if not subscribed to this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, and anytime you need online assistance, do text us to the WhatsApp number given there. It's a paid assistance. I'll be there. We will be there to help you, guide you in the right direction. Alright, let's get straight away into the video. Let me just share my screen. Templates for introduction para for all the essay types. Mostly the template will remain the same, except for one or two types where you need to tweak a little. But why template? See, the IELTS essay writing is a time constraint, correct? 40 minutes max you can give to one essay writing, and in that 40 minutes what people end up doing, introduction and conclusion, they use the entire time. The introduction and the conclusion will not be scored more. Pay more attention. The priority is the second and the third para, we call body 1 and body 2. So intro and conclusion is not heavily scored, it's not a priority. So if you try to write on your own, we have experimented. For intro, people take 5 minutes. As a result, they will get very less time to write their second and the third paragraph. So the idea of this video is, what if I tell you that there is a template, one template you just have to use for every question type, and you can write the introduction in less than 1 minute. For all the essay types, let's start. The very first essay type that I am considering right now is advantage outweigh disadvantage. For this essay type, this is the template, and throughout mostly the template will remain the same. In today's complex world, just take a screenshot. Numerous issues and subtopic are subject to debate. One such topic is, you got to write the topic sentence from the question. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a while. While you make use of this word, while it is true that every topic has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, that's the question, the benefits of the topic outweigh the drawbacks, or if you want to write the other way, you can do it. This essay will explore various advantages of the topic and demonstrate why they hold greater significance compared to the disadvantage. If you want to swap it, you can swap. If you see here, this entire thing is a template where you put topic, topic, topic 3 times. Will this work? Is this working? It is working. On an average, at least 3-4 people per week are getting 7.5 in writing. I made a video with Aradhana, one of our students, and give her 6.5 in one of the videos. You can check my channel, and she has got 7.5 in writing. I'll make a new video on that probably next week. So there are people using the same template getting the marks. Just using this will not give you 7.5. Body 1 and body 2 also matters, but using this will actually give you more confidence because you spend very less time on writing the introduction. So let's take an example. Social media is becoming increasingly popular amongst all age groups. However, sharing personal information has risks. Do you think advantages outweigh the disadvantage? Same thing, one such topic is the rise of social media, becoming increasingly popular, or you can say popularity of social media. While it is true that every topic has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, the benefits outweigh the drawbacks. Benefits of social media. This essay will explore various advantages of social media and demonstrate why they hold greater significance compared to the disadvantage. Try writing. I don't think it will take more than a minute to write this. You just have to write a bit faster. No need to use brain for the introduction. Start using brain, it will take a lot of time. Yes or no? So advantage, disadvantage is done and dusted. The same template with a little tweak we use for advantage and disadvantage. Advantages and disadvantages. In today's complex world, same template, numerous issues and topics are subject to debate. One such topic is the rise of social media. While it is true that every topic has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, the topic advantage outweigh the disadvantage was in the previous slide. Here, the topic does have both benefits and drawbacks, because the question is not about outweighing part. The question is discuss advantages and disadvantages. So topic does have both benefits and drawback. This essay will explore the various advantages and disadvantages. The previous slide, this essay will explore why the advantages outweigh the disadvantage. According to the question type, little tweak, same template, little tweaking. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages. Same thing, rise of social media, social media. Just a bit of tweak will happen in the template. Just take a screenshot, things will fall in place. Any doubts, do leave a comment in the comment section. We quickly move on to template 4. Discuss both the sides and give your opinion. For this also similar template in today's complex world, numerous issues and topics are subject to debate. One such topic is the topic sentence. It is important to explore here. Little I am changing both the sides of the argument to gain a comprehensive understanding. In this essay, both sides of the topic will be discussed, followed by my opinion. Just memorize it. For this question, some people believe that uniform should be mandatory. Others believe it should not be. Discuss both the sides and give your opinion. In today's complex world, numerous issues and topics are subject to debate. One such topic is, you cannot try one such topic is uniform. No, it's mandating the uniform. Here you need to use a little part of your brain, probably 1 or 2%, not 100%. It is important to explore both the sides of the argument to gain a comprehensive understanding. In this essay, both sides of the topic will be discussed, followed by my opinion. Take a picture or a screenshot. It comes handy, trust me on this. With the intention of giving you the right information, I made this video. You save time in introduction, you get more time to write body 1 and body 2. Here you get cramped, you make it a full mess, big mess, and took 5-6 minutes. Then rest of the things, it's very difficult to write within 30 or 35 minutes. Give it a thought. It comes handy. Will it work? Definitely it will work. It is working. It will work forever. Alright, so now we go to problems and solutions essay. Same template. In today's complex world, numerous issues and topics are subject to debate. One such topic is the rise of air pollution. It is important to explore both the problems and solutions pertaining to the rise of air pollution. In this essay, both the problems and solutions will be discussed. The first line and second line remains the same for all the template. Depending on the type, the third line little we will tweak. Of course, like logically speaking, we cannot have one template for all the question types. Little tweak we are doing it. Little tweak is possible. You will get your scores. Just memorize this line. It is important to explore both the problems and solutions pertaining to the question. In this essay, both problems and solutions will be discussed. Hope you are getting it. So now we will take an example. Air pollution is on the rise in the urban areas. What are the problems air pollution gives rise to, and talk about the solution. Same thing, one such topic is rise of air pollution. You got to write one word or like 2-3 words based on the question. Rest, the remaining the template will cover. How easy peasy it is. Give it a thought. And anytime you need feedback on your essays, it's a paid feedback. You can text us to the number given there in the WhatsApp. I'll be there. We will be there to help you, guide you in the right direction. It is important to explore both the problems and solutions pertaining to air pollution. In this essay, both problems and solutions will be discussed. No need of using extra brain. Save time. Get more marks. Get more time towards your second and the third paragraph. And do leave a comment if you want the template for conclusion as well. So that in the next video, Sunday, that we gonna come up with, I'll give you all the templates for all the essay question types for the fourth paragraph, that is conclusion. Alright, I hope there is no doubt here. So far, any doubts, do leave a comment in the comment section. Take a screenshot picture of the essay template. And the last one, agree, disagree, to what extent do you agree? For all these types, it's the one template. In today's complex world, numerous issues and topics are subject to debate. One such topic is this. Now you're going to alter it little. Some people believe that state the statement you are agreeing or disagreeing with. I'll show you what it is, while others disagree. In this essay, I'll explain why I agree with this statement, why I disagree with this statement, why I partially agree with the statement. You can write any one of them. All you got to do is, some people believe that, state the statement you're agreeing to. This is the only additional thing in this new template. Rest all of it is the same as the previous one. So we take up a question and write for agree, disagree and partial agreement. In today's complex world, numerous issues and topics are subject to debate. One such topic is, some people believe that technology is making people less sociable. This is the topic sentence. This is the question, do you agree or disagree? Or to what extent do you agree with the statement? That we will take it up in the next slide. One such topic is technology. Don't write a small phrase, technology making people less sociable. Some people believe that agree the points, technology makes people less sociable, while others disagree. This is the statement you are agreeing with. In this essay, I will explain why I agree with the statement. That's it. Hope you are getting it. It's not rocket science. It's very easy. Little tweaking has to be done depending on the essay type. So here, let's say you are disagreeing. Some people believe that technology makes one less friendly, while others disagree. In this essay, I will explain why I disagree with the statement. The same way, for the partial agreement, entire thing remains the same. In this essay, I will explain why I partially agree with this statement and provide examples to support my position. How easy it is to write an introduction without having to think much. When you are not thinking much, that's where your speed increases. Problem is we think a lot and the speed decreases. Not more than 1 or 1.5 minutes to write this. Write them quickly. Add things. 1 blank or 2 blank will be there and finish it off, and then divert or give all your time towards your body 1 and the body 2, that is para 2 and the para 3. You want templates for the conclusion as well, do leave a comment in the comment section. Sunday's video will be about essay template. One essay template for all the essay types with respect to the conclusion. Fine guys, with this I will park it here. Thanks so much for the time and the love. Anytime you need online assistance, you can WhatsApp us to the number given there. We'll be there, I'll be there to help you guide in the right direction. With this, I'll park it here. This is Nakul signing off from Skills IELTS. Soon we'll be back. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Thanks much.